Meaning of Dane.
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 Dane. The word Dane is a noun that refers to a person from Denmark or a member of the Danish people. The term has historical significance as it refers to the ancient Viking warriors who originated from Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. Today, Dane is commonly used to describe someone who is of Danish descent or has citizenship in Denmark. The term can also refer to the language and culture of the Danish people. Overall, Dane is a term used to identify a specific group of people with ties to Denmark.